Hi everyone! Today November 12, Wednesday. I am already in Angeles City and I want to walk in Mountain View, Balibago, around Mountain View, Balibago. But before, about maybe 6 years ago, we rent apartment in this place, in Mountain View. Today working day in Angeles and Mabalacat. That's why traffic already. Now 5 p.m. People going from work to home. This is jeepney going to Mabalacat city. From Angeles down Mabalacat. So it's second day working day in the Philippines after typhoon. During typhoon, people not working in the Philippines. It's not easy to talk because so noisy here. So that's why I will take a look so many people in the jeepney. But about 6 p.m. more people waiting jeepney. This is jeepney stop. Jeepney stop to Mabalacat. Street foods, of course. Who want it? Pancake, but not so much people today. Maybe later, but heavy traffic, of course. Always heavy traffic here. I don't want to talk when I walk. That's why I will silent now. I hope you understand me. Sometimes I will talk if I see something interesting. Now good weather. Temperature about 28 degrees. 1 hour ago it's heavy rain, but now it's good weather. Don't have rain, maybe rain start, maybe soon. But I bring umbrella. Not always bring umbrella in the Philippines this time. This is Astra Park. This is already half of Astra Park because they built a road. That's why Astra Park already not same like before. Coconut is about 40 peso. Coconut. Already near Walking Street, entrance Walking Street in McDonald's. Okay, I will walk little bit near McDonald's also. How much this one? How much this big? How much? 30. Okay, thank you. 30 peso ice cream. Oh, I will go to another side now. This is already walking street, but I will not go to walking street today, only Friday. I will walk nearby only. Walking street always the same. Nothing new. This is 7-Eleven near Walking Street. Some of girls going to work right now who work in the bar. Because now 5 p.m. and 5 p.m. usually they go to work, who start work from the 6 p.m. But some of bars open from 4 p.m. That's why girls going to work about 3 p.m. About. And this is McDonald's. Very popular McDonald's here. Because one McDonald's this way, this location only, in Balibago. Fields Plaza Hotel, popular hotel, but expensive, little bit expensive. My friend said better stay in another hotel. But who use car is better this hotel because they have parking upstairs. Okay, I will go to another side. I want to show to you the Barangay Balibago Mall, not mall, City Hall. City Hall, Barangay Balibago. Ultra Mega Supermarket. I don't know what is Ultra Mega. Oh, also motorcycle parking. Park at your own risk. Ultra Mega. Really Ultra Mega. Ah, this is parking for motorcycle and tricycles. Yeah. Generator also have. Counter. Work from 7 to 8 p.m. Ultra Mega Supermarket. Интересно. And here already government installed LED lamp solar. That's why now light have in here in pedestrian. Before don't have light, dark. It's good if we install. Jollibee also popular here. Because 24 hours working with Jollibee. Traffic two-way to Angeles and to Mabalacat. Because don't have rain. Finish rain and many motorcycle driver, moto drivers go outside. If rain, only cars you can see. Oh, chicharron, I know, chicharron, popular. Chicharron for sale. Excuse me, how much with chicharron?
This one is 50. Right?
50?
This one.
Ah, 50 peso. It's good price because in Dow 150.
150.
Yeah, they say to me 150 in Dow terminal. They say 150. You have good price.
20 pesos, 75 pesos.
Uh-huh.
Special is 160 only.
Ah, 160 this. Oh.
Chicharron.
Chicharron, I know, like it's very popular in the Philippines. Okay, thank you. So you already know price. So before go to Dow terminal, if you want to buy something, better buy in advance. Double price because in the Dow terminal. But of course you can buy also. It's not expensive. Maybe quality different. I don't know. But who know? Please comment. Jeepney, full jeepney. It's to Angeles. So it's for going to main gate. And now we're turning to Barangay City Hall. And this is college also. This popular college. Students usually go through the walking street after finish study with uniform. Xiaomai also have. Yeah, many students waiting, maybe jeepney or tricycle. Also street foods here. Yeah, many street foods here. Peanuts. Fry also. Takoyaki also have. Japanese. Barangay Hall renovation right now. Balibago Barangay Hall under renovation. А вот и дует. Ага. Tiles prepare. This way your taxes go. You can see project of infrastructure program. Barangay building. Barangay Balibago. It's good if I prepare good. Before maybe Christmas already finish. I don't know. I will check later. Okay, I will go to the Mountain View area. Mountain View. I lived before 2 years. I rent apartment. Rent apartment only for $100 in Mountain View. I will show this apartment. What is this? Shawarma. Oh, it's shawarma. people waiting shawarma here. Now cloudy, maybe soon start rain. Wait, I will check what is this. This is Korean coffee shop. Korean coffee shop. How much here? Bibimbap 150. Oh, 150, 120 fried rice. Why so many people here? Ah, this is house already. Thank you, thank you. You see, people kind, friendly here. They said welcome to the Philippines. But if I go to the walking street, they say to me bad words. Because you know why? Because they don't like if someone see if they work in walking street. It's not Thailand. In Thailand it's okay. I don't know, maybe they not care about this. But in the Philippines, if someone work in the bar, even they all the life work, they don't like if someone know. But how? Of course, someone always know. For example, I will say to you, in our barangay, in Kamachilis, Shaira know everyone who work in the bar. Mama San, she know even the boyfriend of the girls know. Everyone know. But they of course hiding. But every people in our barangay know. No, they work in the bar. They have foreign, a boyfriend, husband, for example, Filipina. No, impossible to hide, you know. But here, many people in the walking street, in the bars, they from the different provinces. That's why they don't want if relatives know. I can understand, of course, they need support family, but they not need to how to say bad words to tourists. They can only hide face. Just only hide face, not problem. I always hide if blur face if someone don't like message to me, and I always blur face. But if they say to me bad words, okay, they need to only message to YouTube and comply to YouTube. This is already pedestrian line. I already say to you about LED. Good. Some of girls from here working in the bar, or maybe not only in the bar. Some of girls in the work in the club, in the hotels sometimes, working in this area. And this time, 5 p.m. they go to home. Tricycle. I will show to you now where better take tricycle. Not take tricycle near walking street. This is expensive. I will show again, who don't know, I will show where can buy tricycle or can take tricycle near. I want to come back to my car before rain, because maybe start heavy rain. I don't want. Take a look, guys. This is tricycles. Tricycle going to the Market Mall. Edsa. And price is not expensive. This is cheap prices. Better take tricycle from this place. First I will show to you apartment where I lived before. No, thank you. Here so many. Hi. Right. Okay, I'm back. How much egg now? 7 peso small, medium 8, large 9 and 10 XL. And double XL is 11 peso. Same here. Small 7 peso. From 7 to 11 peso egg. In our barangay, egg it's about 9 peso XL. This is another tricycle terminal. It's also tricycle. So many tricycle waiting passengers here. Oh, fry. So people like fry. I don't know why. Yeah, already cloudy. I will show to you my apartment. I fast go to my car because I park car in Dow. This is barber shop, popular barber shop before. So many people always 100 peso. No, 80 peso, but I give 20 peso always tips. This is Central Mall. Before it's a gas station named Central, and now it's a Central Mall. I don't know when they finish build Central Mall. I don't know this place. It's Pampanga Street. I know very good this place. 2 years I live here. Take a look what we do it. Also apartment for rent. These people live. It's also for rent. Local people rent here. It's cheap. Hello. Thank you. It's my life Philippines. YouTube.
Philippines?
Yes.
Facebook?
No, YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. And also this is apartment for rent. And this one is it's many Philippine people live here. It's not expensive. This is I know before many Korean people rent. Maybe and also now. Amelia Residence. This is Amelia Residence. Popular Korean guys. And this is residence. It's not for rent. This is also. And this GF residence before I rent here in first floor 2 years. GF Prestige Residence. Take a look. Full already full booking. If they hide phone number, it's mean the full. This apartment I rented $100 only, because I don't want always to. You know why I rent? Because I don't want. I always go to the Hong Kong and so many things I don't want to take with my bag. I rent in China and also here. Sari store. Little bit dark, need to faster. And this one also apartment for rent. This not full booking. This very old. Very old. I not recommend it here. Noisy, I know. This is old also apartment, 2 apartments. One north. Sari store also. And this way going to the, if go to straight, going to the Marquee Mall Road, is straight to Marquee Mall. But we need to go to the Dow. Because my car, I park near Pure Gold, Dow. Near Motech. I always park near Motech, CCTV camera. I know guys who work in Motech, is good guys. Always wait. If something need to car, wait. I know long time. Also for rent apartment. JN Lodge. But my friend said it's not expensive, but it's noisy. Always noisy here. This is road. Okay, I need to go to this way. To MacArthur Highway. If road is if rain, this road always flooded. Not easy to walk here. Not easy. I will go to another side. Another side is better. Flooded. This is road always flooded. If start rain. Because here don't have drainage system. Take a look. Don't have. Rain 2 hours ago, still have water in the road. Also, this this is it's not apartment. Laboratory, this is laboratory. You can take test blood. Bread top. Okay, we come back to MacArthur Highway and go into the Dow. Heavy traffic. I think I will drive to Mabalacat again, maybe 40 minutes, maybe 50 minutes because of traffic. It's okay. Not problem for me. People, but not so many people today. Not so many. Usually, so long line here and waiting long time. Full people, so many people inside in the jeepney. Take a look. And here also Mabalacat City. It's a style shop. So many shops already closed. Paint also closed. Paint shop closed. Traffic. Even motor the same. If I use motor, same drive, same long time. Better use car. Sit comfortable. If start rain, no problem, you drive. That's why I not use motorcycle right now. I don't like. You know why traffic near Mabalacat? Because construction workers repair road right now. That's why heavy traffic. Motech already closed. I recommended this is Motech. Very good people inside working, very professional guys. This is your gold now. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Subscribe. Who don't like, watch. Also, it's not problem for me if you subscribe or not. If you watch video, already good for me. If you even don't like the video, it's okay, not problem. Like, don't like, it's okay, it's good. Everyone I like. But who message to me and to us bad comments, I just only block only. Okay, thank you.